What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central, here in Wisconsin. One 2-box football break for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing from last night's break. Giving away a $10 promo code. Ooh. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Michael P.E. And now for tonight's break, I'm going to randomize the list of 32 teams 5 times first. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's our list of teams. And the 32 names for tonight, 1 team per spot. And we'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against our list of teams. Here is the roster for tonight. I'll start off with the Bowman tonight. This one going to be 10 packs, 25 cards per pack, with 4 autos and 1 relic per box. And since we have so many cards in this one, let's scroll through them, stop and take our time on any of the hits. And here we go. Derek Carr, rookie for the Raiders. Gold parallel refractor for the Jags is Stephen Morris. And Jags going to Brian H. This one numbered 13 out of 50. Tom Brady. Gabe Jackson. We have our first hit. Team do we have here? First one was Chris Smith on card rookie auto. I don't see a team listed. We'll make sure to include it in the scans. We'll get that one figured out. Renner, gold parallel 378 out of 399. Now I'm going to the Broncos. Alfred Blue. Jimmy Garoppolo for the Patriots. Sammy Watkins, rookie for the Bills. Victor Cruz, die cut. Connor Shaw, mini card. Teddy Bridgewater, rookie for the Vikings. Blue parallel for the Raiders. George Atkinson, 424 out of 499. Raiders going to Dave. On card rookie auto, Dion Buchanan. This one doesn't have a team on it either. Again, we'll include that in the scans. Make sure to get it to the right person. Ahmad Dixon, mini card. Blake Bortles, rookie for the Jags. Johnny Manziel, rookie for the Browns. And the relic going to the Patriots, Aaron Dobson. Patriots going to Richard M. Gold parallel for the Browns, Connor Shaw. 125 out of 399. Browns going to Joshua W. Mini card, Mike Davis. And Johnny Manziel, rookie. Sammy Watkins, rookie for the Bills. Die cut for the Patriots, Tom Brady. Allen Robinson. Derek Carr, rookie for the Raiders. On card, rookie auto, Brandon Cooks. Aaron Murray, mini card. And Blake Bortles, rookie. Another Derek Carr, rookie for the Raiders. Red refractor for the Bills, Cyril Richardson. 5 out of 199. Bills going to Tad. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie for the Texans. Blue parallel for the Bears, Christian Jones. Going to Joshua S. 169 out of 499. Gold parallel for the Titans, Jake Locker. 23 out of 50. Titans going to Tad. Mini card, Isaiah Crowell. And on card, rookie auto, Andre Williams. No team on that one. I don't think any of the teams are listed on those. We'll make sure to get it figured out and list it on the site. Mini card going to Jason Verrett. A blue parallel for the Texans, Andre Johnson. Going to Scott J, 68 out of 99. And our last pick, we'll get into the 5-star. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie for the Texans. Die cut for the Colts, Scobie Fleener. Mini cards, Chris Smith. And that'll do it for the Bowman. All right, here we go. Up first for the Bears, Jay Cutler, 32 out of 208. Bears going to Joshua S. 49ers, Alden Smith, 116 out of 208. Going to Michael P. Packers, Aaron Rodgers, 151 out of 208. Going to Joshua J. First hit going to the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar on card, rookie auto, 3-color patch, 44 out of 55. Cowboys going to Scott J. Congratulations, Scott. Rookie auto, on-card auto for the Cardinals, Andre Ellington, 4 out of 25. Cardinals going to Scott J. Very nice. For the Rams, a Marshall Faulk on card autograph, 2-color patch, 63 out of 75. Congratulations, Dave R. You're getting that one. Very cool. We'll save the booklet for the end. Rookie jumbo patch for the Jets, Geno Smith, 27 out of 87. And Jets going to John M. The booklet. Let's get a one touch for this one. Oh boy, got a monster here, boys. Or let's get that speck out of there. A 1 of 1 rookie auto. Nice looking prime patch booklet for the Bengals, Giovanni Bernard. Very nice. 1 of 1 right in the corner. Very nice looking patch. Bengals going to Joshua W. Very cool. Congratulations, Joshua. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some baseball. Take a look, grab a spot, and then we'll see you tomorrow night.